You are writing in Microsoft Word and you need some calculations. That's exactly what Calcumber Math Journal is about. My name is Samuel. Let's have a look at this example. So we have 2,000 euros on the bank account, and every year we get an interest rate of 3%, and we leave the money there for 10 years, and after 10 years we have 2,687 euros. And this is calculated directly here in Word. That's great. The formula you see here. Maybe you want to have more money. Let's just invest some more. Let's change it to 4,000 euros. It updates. Maybe we accept a higher risk, and then we get a higher interest rate. And we leave the money there for 30 years. Wow, we already have 17,000 euros. That's really great. And it's so cool to have all calculations here. You can put your ideas in Word, the input, you have the formula and the result, everything in one place. That's really cool. Let's now have a look at how you can do your own calculations. So you just put your cursor where you want to have your calculation. And then you go to the Math tab. This tab you have once you have the add-in installed. This is the button Math line. You click this one and then you can start typing 3 times 4 times 5 times 6, and this is the magic number 360. Now we want to use this result. We type ans for answer, and this is divided by 3 and we get 120. We can now adjust the calculation here. Let's divide by 4 and it updates automatically. That's perfect. Now let's have a look at variables. I define another math line and I define a number 10, and I want to know what is n to the square. So we get 100. And now I can change the definition to 20 and it updates also the calculation below. The next cool feature of Calcumber Math Journal is it can use units. So here we have a tube with a diameter of 5 inch and we want to know this area here. So let's start by defining the radius. This is 5 inch divided by 2. And now the area is r squared times pi. This is 19.6 square inch. Maybe we like to have the results in square centimeters. We can automatically convert it. We have now 127 square centimeters. Using units saves you a lot of time and also prevents a lot of mistakes. That's really great. And it's so cool to have everything in your document, so in your Word document. So the calculations, your ideas, your sketches, everything you can combine there. That's really cool. So that's Calcumber Math Journal. Directly calculating in Word. A great tool also for you. Thanks for watching.